question that we get a lot from our customers is there a possibility to check if we have done our preparation before a primer application correctly? The only way to check that is through the water break-free method. With the water break-free method, you ensure that you have a closed film. Pour a little bit of water on your surface, check if it pearls or that the water film stays closed. If the water film is closed for 15, 20, 30 seconds, you know that the surface is clean and ready to receive the primer. If you don't see that and it pearls, you will have an defect on your surface. A water break-free method can't be done completely all over the aircraft, but you should be selective in the sections where you do it because it's a wet process. The benefit of executing this method is that it ensures you as a painter that your paint lies down flawlessly without any defects telegraphing through. When in doubt, please go through our technical data sheets. Thank you for your time. If you have any further questions, please contact us.